Idho ya Mauvo, mitamboni ya Athiani FM, nitoa Karo Mwenzi.
Mauvo maikitika idho ya Athiani, yitha isalukilie.
Wasia wito, winya wito. Athiani FM.
Tuivikia mwini wa 10 mwakani uyo serikali ni kwithiwa ya mbiti uvandi wa mbeu ya kisayansi ya vamba kana kwa kithiomo kingi BT Cotton isionesia Ukamba, Meru, Mbere na Tharaka Nithi. Une kuatiene na ofisa ula utongwesye ukunekili wa mbeu ya BT Cotton va Kenya Dr. Charles Waturu ainena kavindani kai komano yumwe ya nzia ya mutandao kana Zoom meeting ila yumbani tuni kundi ya Open Forum on Agricultural Biotechnology in Africa kana OFAB sombuva enamauvoaso.
Dr. Waturu awetakanavo muna kwitha manata tisikie nthini wa mivango yao ya kufikia imivindani ya wa corona yume na mwikio kana tuifikia mwini wa 10 na mwini wa 11 muvia wa mawithio luluko wa nema nwitho na mina ukunekeli wako sisi kana mbeu ini itha na utho na umo wa kimawithio luluko na kunenga na lingilia ya kuvandwa kwayo.
We are going to complete EIA before planting in October, and personally I have taken initiative to look at laying for data for all these areas for the last 7 years, and I can confirm we can successfully plant cotton as late as end of October in Makueni. In Meru we can actually plant cotton latest end of November, so there is time to complete the EIA and get the permit from NEMA to plant at the right time.
Kwa kitumikene wa mathuthi ya imi mavamba isioni kuthocha wimi wa mbeu ya kisayansi ya BT Cotton aiweta kana mbeu na vaita munene isianiwe na mbeu ila ya tene nundu vamwe na kusia muno ndithi ya waitona ukwatwa ni vivi.
The hybrid yield about 2 to 3 times what our OPVs yield. Number 2, they mature 1 month earlier than our conventional cotton, and the cotton quality in terms of fiber strength is higher.
Minister wa Iwanda na masoko va Kenya Mbeti Maina na Ulaya ithogetwe ta mweni wa ndaya katika umbano wa mutandao ni wa mathangasi ya mikuthocha wimi wa mbeu ya kisayansi aiweta kana serikali ni ikiite mivango misio ya kumatwika imi na mbeu oundu muna kumantha masoko nundu wa ngethayo.
And what the government is doing is making available the best technology, and that's in this sense BT. The second thing, the other thing the government is doing is creating a market for these products. The market is a market both locally, our Buy Kenya, Build Kenya strategy. The third thing that the government is doing is the making available seeds.
Thea India o yune yatongwete kwa wimi wa mbeu ya vamba ya BT Cotton thina kilungu cha mbeu wa miongo monza na thandatu yulua yana ikati waninde America na ndea China. Kwa ivinda yunde ya Kenya yithito yende na utatithia uvandi wa mbeu isioni kivuthukanio nthini wa muvango munene wa serikali wa kwenda usiucha wimi wa vamba va Kenya. Nderipoti ithi Athiani kuma kauntini ya Makueni ninye so Wambuva.
Athiani FM.